Hey, everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Stef, and these are the 5 things that we love about celebrity cruises.
Oh, yeah.
Number 1.
Glass blowing.
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What?
And let me say that again.
What?
Glass blowing.
What?
Yes, the Hollywood hot glass class was insanity. We got to make stuff. We made things.
We made glasses that
We
we
made
actually
things.
use.
Yeah.
We have glasses that we came off of a cruise ship. Fire and all. They had everything there. I mean, it was just so crazy. Blowing the glass ourselves and getting to cut it. I mean, it was just insane.
It was the coolest. So, yeah, definitely number 1, glass blowing on a cruise ship. What?
Number 2.
The mixology classes. These are some of the best bartenders in the universe, and the mixology classes prove it. We got to make our own drinks instead of just watching the drinks and then drinking the drinks. We got to make them and learn about them. So that was incredible. And it was from expert bartenders who helped us make incredible drinks. As a matter of fact, with the exception of her shaking abilities, they said Stephanie was actually a very good bartender. She just doesn't do the shake thing very well. So
it was such a fun thing to actually get to participate in the actual making of a drink.
Oh, it was awesome.
Instead of just tasting on a regular drink tasting like a lot of cruise ships have, it was just we got to interact with it and participate, go behind the bar. I mean, everything was hands-on. You poured, you measured out everything. You measured out the liquor, you measured out the fruit, you measured it all out.
And some people didn't measure. Not you.
Not me.
No,
No, there were some people that were heavy pours.
Yeah, there were some HPs
but
going on.
it was so fun.
It was so much fun. So much fun.
Number 3.
The absolute best room service and the best in-room dining of any cruise line that we've been on, by far.
The breakfast. So we've had a lot of in-room breakfast, and it's typically more like a continental breakfast where it's got some muffins and juice and coffee and cereals.
And it's not usually that good either.
It's not the best. This was full-blown, full service, full breakfast with hot stuff, eggs, toast, and then you've got your cereals, your fruit, your juices. It was amazing. We had a balcony on our celebrity cruise, and we got to sit out, have our coffee, have our eggs and our toast and everything else, and just watch the world sail by. It was just such an amazing experience.
Yeah, I mean, the cabins are big enough to eat in the cabin or on the balcony, and we did both. We ended up having breakfast most days in our room, and that was insanity. Loved it. Number
4.
The Flair Bartenders. Remember when I said before in the mixology class that the bartenders are second to none? Well, they have another level of ninja bartenders that the other bartenders refer to, and these are Flair Bartenders. And these dudes are doing like 12 glasses at once, and just, all the crazy Flair things you've seen, spinning, dropping, whatever. They're doing it all, and they're pouring stuff. And we were happy enough to be there during when they were training a Flair bartender, and we did this guy's very first Flair tending, and it was awesome.
For the martinis, they do a martini flight of like, I don't know, it feels like it's like 60 martini flights. Yeah. It's not, but it feels like that. But they have all of these glasses out, and it was his very first time trying it, and he was excellent. It was wonderful. We sent them photos and videos, and they loved it. They had us air share it right there. It was awesome. So it was very cool.
Yeah, that was the Flair bartending for the win.
Number 5.
The silent disco. It was awesome. It was awesome.
The best silent disco that we've seen on any ship. It just was so fun. So many people participating. Everybody's got their headphones on. You're just dancing and no one knows what you're dancing to. It's just the greatest thing. And I think the most fun part is hearing people talk to each other because they forget that they're wearing headphones and they start screaming.
What channel are you listening to? I love this song.
It is the best. I was in tears. I was laughing so hard. It's just the best thing. You got to go try it out if you're on a celebrity ship.
Yeah, it was great. It was absolutely great. So those are the 5 things that we love about cruising with Celebrity Cruises. The glass blowing, hello. Mixology classes, excellent. The best in-room service of any ship we've ever been on, any fleet we've ever been in. The fantastic Flair bartenders, and of course the silent disco was just so much fun. I mean, blowing glass, silent disco, Flair tenders, amazing food. What's not to love? We love it all.
So what are some things that you love about celebrity cruises? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts. And while you're down there, go ahead and click that thumbs up button and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your friends.
And please don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss any future 5 things. And of course, our cruise vlogs and anything else we make, like reviews and whatnot.
Of course. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We are Sean and Stef, and this has been 5 things that we love about celebrity cruises.
Bye.
Bye.